Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Tech Learn with Hasis, and still we are learning string function. So next function we have left and right. So we will start with left. So you can see that the left, okay, and the expression and your character. Let's check what we always do. Our syntax we check in Microsoft side. So this function works on all SQL Server. Okay, it means that the version of SQL Server, and then we have this syntax. Syntax is a simple left character expression and integer expression. Okay, I will tell you what all the things are these all. Okay, so we will start with the string by giving name. Okay, now this is left string, and this will return you the value of a number of character which you will define in your integer expression. Okay, now I want only first two characters of this expression or this string. Okay, so this is I am doing manually, so you can simply write to select this and execute. Okay, so MS Dhoni we have given the string, and now we are getting only MS, which is the first character of your string. Okay, I am giving only 2. You can give 3. Okay, as much as you want you can make it. Let's check in our employee table also. Okay, now I want employee name. Okay, employee name. Okay. So employee name I want left. I want 3 character of this column. Okay, so just execute. See, we are getting only 3 characters from this column. Okay, this is our left. Now we can go with right. Right is also similar, but there are some difference. So let's check first in our Microsoft side. So this is right we have. Okay, so this is also similar. You can find in all the version of SQL Server. This is the syntax you have, approximately same syntax, and now we can go with right. So simply, okay, same name I will use MS Dhoni. Okay, and then I want to get the string from right side, which is your right. Okay, from right side this value. So what I will do, I will select 5 characters from this and just execute. Okay, so guys, you can understand from the left it is coming from the left side of the string, and from the right we are getting from right side. You have to count from right. Okay, your right. Okay, now we can see the same thing in our employee table also. Okay, I want 3 characters same, or maybe I can write as a 5 characters also. Okay, see guys, we are getting 5 characters from the right side, but if they don't have that 5 characters, suppose this guy, I will demonstrate this also in a similar way. Okay, so see, this guy doesn't have 5 character only, so this is returning only that much character which has the length of this string. Okay, this length is 4, so it is returning only 4 character. Okay, so this is left, this is right. So we have learned today left and right function. So left function will return the character from your left side, how many integer value you are giving, and right side character will return from right side how many you are giving for the integer expression. And similar way you can use in your table also. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe and comment here if you have any doubt or whatever you feel about this tutorial.